Give one word for the following. The first one has been done for you. Godnik point popular, often for a short period, trendy, fashionable. Second point area of a city where there are factories, industrial. Third point pretty to look at, beautiful. Fourth point kind and thinks of others, thoughtful. Fifth point well known, famous. Sixth point something or someone you can trust, trustworthy. Seventh point people with nowhere to live are homeless. Eighth point something that saves your money is economical. Economical. Grammar work. You have read in class 4th about the sentence and its kinds. No, now rearrange the following words into meaningful sentences in the space provided and also say what kind of sentences they are as shown in the example below. First point give you give your me please pen. Answer give me your pen please. Operative sentence. First point sky the blue is. Answer the sky is blue. Simple. It is simple sentence. Second point in read I standard fifth. I read in fifth standard. Simple. Third point under K table the is. Answer cat is under the table. Simple. Fourth point did the where you from get. Where did you get from this? Where did you get this from? Interrogative. Fifth point go you should to a doctor. Good. You should go to a doctor. Optative. A great idea. What is it? Answer. What is a great idea is it? Exclamatory. Exclamatory. Do you where live? Where do you live? Interrogative. What beautiful house is it? What a beautiful house is it? Exclamatory. Wish I were a writer. I wish I were a writer. Optative. May live long you. May you live long. Exclamatory.